Vahumi Mhlongo is being praised for her strength after opening up about a long and often misunderstood health crisis she has been fighting quietly for more than a decade, living with lymphedema, an incurable condition that causes chronic swelling due to a blocked lymphatic system. Vahumi revealed how the illness has shaped her daily life both physically and emotionally. First sharing her story years ago on living the dream with Somizi, she has since continued to speak out to raise awareness and help others feel seen and understood. While the condition has no cure and requires lifelong management through methods like compression wear, Vahumi refuses to let it define or limit her. Instead, she continues to pursue her career in acting and content creation, inspiring many people who are silently dealing with their own health challenges, with Mzansi applauding her resilience and courage. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.